Wolflower here. So as you can see, I'm not wearing my spike collar today, and I'm not completely black with just blue moons on. I actually changed my look like this because I kind of got bored of my old look, so now I'm like this. But besides my bunny, it's still the same. So, I treated my spike collar. I don't know why. I just felt bad because the person got scammed. However the heck you say that. I don't know. I'm very bad with my English, or whatever you want to call it. Language, I guess. I do not want a cheese hat. Who would want a cheese hat, guys, and diamond glasses? What the heck? I even got a proto phantom necklace. Like, what? I'm just gonna stick with that. I think that I really like this look, I guess. Besides my awesome spike collar. My awesome spike collar. My spike collar was so awesome. So awesome. So beautiful. I know, I'm over it was this guy who I treated it to. See, he has my spike collar. What the heck? Who would what? Okay, right now I'm really mad. I'm shaking my phone like, what the heck? Oops. It was this guy that I traded my phone with. And he gave me this necklace since wait, did I say phone? I think I said phone. Well, anyways, I didn't mean to say phone. I meant to say spike collar. Either way. But he gave me this flower necklace since he felt bad, I guess, that I gave up my spike collar since he got scammed, and then I had to trade in my moon necklace. Now he wants to trade it. I was like, what the heck? Because I really love that moon necklace. I want that moon necklace back. So let's... Oh! You need to stop black. Oh, guy. Oh, stop. I'm gonna ask him what is going on. Because I mean, like, seriously, what is going on? What is going on? That's resist. What is going on? Because I'm like, apparently. Hi. 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 Hi, everybody. Okay. You little. Wherever it is. You little. Oh, God. It is about to go down, 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 down. Black is resist. What? Wanna fight? You mean fight, guys. Animal Jam, like, it corrects us. Like, I try to say fight, it says sight. So, resist! So, okay. Dude, I don't know who you people are. You not bad. What is... You need to stop. Yeah. I don't know what the heck. Guys, it's like always a fight in this guy's den. Why? Why is there always something bad going on in your den. Den. Why is there always something bad going on in your den? And like seriously, it's like always all the fights happen here. Always. And I do not try to be a part of it. I do not try to be. But if one of them bites my friends, I bite them. I attack them. Because I'm like, if my friend doesn't, like, if one of my friends bite one of my friends, I get mad and go attack them. So, yeah, I'm very mad whenever people do that. I don't know, and they both like, oh, well, good luck with that, dude. Well, good luck with that, dude. He's gonna be like, oh. Can I attack one, please? Stop. No. Oh, no. Oh, no. No, not you. I'm about to get... You better stop. Ha. Oh, that is not gonna happen. You mess with my friends, I mess with you. Sure, I guess. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks. Quit. You better stop. You better stop. You better stop. Or else, please. Oh, come on, dude. I was just about to tackle him. I mean, her, not him. What? Bites. Oh. Nuh-uh. Nope. Not gonna attacks her. Okay, I know you do not want to fight me. Clean self off. Watch it. Watch. Get off of... If this doesn't stop right now, I'm gonna go tackle you again. You got it, little girl? You got it, girl? You got it? Please. Well, first off... Fine. But if she bite me one more time. But if she bites me, oh, she. Grr. Oh, look, you're helpless. Oh my god. What am I going to do? Grr. You better not, little girl. I almost. Nothing, guys. I will tackle you again. You got it? I will tackle you again. Attacks her. I am sorry, but I am attacking her. Attacks her. You made the wrong move, little girl. You made the wrong move. Looks.
I made the wrong move.
No, it's this stupid little wolf. Ooh, she's trying to beat me up. I was like, nope.
You made the wrong move.
Yeah. Thank you, Daddy. Bites her and... Ah! Are you kidding? Ow. You okay? You okay? Not you. Please. Not you. Okay, oh my god. Oh no. You attacks them, bites her. Gets up. Yeah, I'm fine. You sure? Snaps. Oh! Ah! Okay. That's it. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm about to bite her so hard. Oh, that's right, girl. You do it. You do it. You do it. Oh no. Grr. Grr. You better watch it, little girl. You better watch it, Sparkle Wife. Can't say a dang neighbor. I'm actually like really growling right now. Snaps. Okay, guys. I gotta go. Bye.